Hi, this is Matt Norman with MarineMax Clearwater. Today I have the pleasure of walking you guys through this Boston Whaler 11-foot sport tender. This is their 11-foot sport in a tender package with a simple Tiller Merc 115 four-stroke. Still has a dedicated spot for a removable fuel cell and a battery, but you also have the pull start setup for simplicity. She's under 500 pounds dry. Estimated weight with this engine and fuel is 555. So it will, as the tender in the name describes, she should make a very versatile tender for a lot of different applications, whether you're on a hydraulic swim platform, on the bow of a boat, behind on the aft raised mezzanine, or just a great play around boat for some young kids to get to enjoy boating, or people that have small bodies of water or that don't need to carry big loads. However, she's still rated for 4. You got the 2 bench seats right here, so you can see that 2 adults on it. Each bench seat will be great. You can also spread out the load by putting somebody on the bow hatch, which is a convenient, fully finished anchor locker. Same Boster Whaler finish as on the larger brothers and sisters, and all open storage space here. Great platform for just getting a lot of gear in and out of the boat. Got some grab handles, and then the boarding ladder. 11-foot Boston Whaler Sport. Any questions, you can give us a shout here at MarineMax Clearwater, and we will see you on the water.